So I finally got my new helmet all put together. I bought it a little bit ago, but finally got all this stuff on it. It's an Arai XD4. I got the Cardo PackTalk Bold. I got a Pro Shot mount with a GoPro Hero 7. I got the two mics inside, one for the GoPro and one for the Cardo. The GoPro mic is the Purple Panda. That's the mic I've been having the best luck with. And it's all Velcro on the inside, so everything comes off pretty easy. I'm using heavy duty Velcro. And you can see I got the microphone adapter Velcroed on there with extra Velcro just to keep it just in case. And I got another piece of Velcro over here just in case I want to run a external battery for the GoPro, which I have done before but usually don't need to. And then I have some extra wire stuffed in there with more Velcro holding it. So I think it came out pretty good. It's a lot heavier than the carbon fiber helmet that I've been using, but I really like how quiet this helmet is, so I think it's worth the wait. It's not too bad. So anyways, there it is. Thanks for watching.